you noticed the picture cards in this classroom? Introduce a card and show it to your students and keep it up there. And each lesson you add one other and another and another.
Sleeping lion and let's go. What is letter? Really, you're doing super. This punishment. See, they all are doing with action. Very good. See, straight line.
Yeah, follow those sounds. 4A, the lesson 4A. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 number is there. I'll call out each person. You should read this one, okay? Okay. Okay, now you have the ruler. Please take out the ruler, everybody. Yes. Like this, your book. Okay, read. Everybody listen.
Mat.
Very good.
Map.
Good.
Man. What's this?
That is I. Nan in Tamil. Nan. I. Nan. I am.
Five is old.
Very good. I am.
5 years old.
But I am 43 years old. Okay? Like that. I.
Also focus on fluency reading. Help the students not to break up words all the time, but to read them just in once. Of course, if it is a new word or it's difficult for them, they can say the sounds and put them together, but help them to go smoothly and read them fluency.
Man. I am not that. I am I am not a mom. I am 10.
10.
I am mom. I am not a
Man.
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 Mom. I am 6.
One more advice. Give your students a lot of chances to read out loud. Take a simple notebook, write down all the names of the students in your class and give them a chance to read. But don't go from 1 to 2 to 3. Go randomly. Otherwise your students will know when it is their turn to read. And only then they will be more attentive. But if you go randomly, they will not know when they have to read, so all the time they will be focused. And don't let them read long blocks of text. Maybe just 2 or 3 sentences. And then skip and go to the next student, a next student, and a next student. Because the more students get a chance to read, the more often they will practice reading.
Next.
Remember, give a lot of students a chance to read. Don't let them read long text blocks, but just 2 or 3 sentences, which is more than enough. They will not just learn only by reading out loud, but even when they hear other students read and they just follow the lines in their own book. And pick them randomly. Don't go down from 1 till the last student on your list, but go randomly.